Hey guys, it's Shelby with Farmhouse Living and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to install vertical shiplap in my master bedroom, and I want to start by telling you if I can do this, which currently I don't know if I can do this, but if I can do this, you can do this, because I'm not very proficient in power tools. Projects like this that basically are more than painting intimidate me, overwhelm me. But I'm bound and determined to complete my master bedroom, and I also want to get my hands dirty. I really want to DIY, I want to try to do this, and so this weekend I've borrowed a bunch of power tools from my friend Alma, and I'm gonna do it. But I'm also really excited to share this particular space with you because it used to be my garage. Okay, so here's what you need for this project. Of course, you need shiplap. I'm using UFP Edge Timeless Nickel Gap shiplap, and I really like it because I think it's going to be a lot easier to make consistent gaps than if you were to cut plywood or something like that. Might be a little bit more of an investment, but to me, I feel like let's just do it right. And also it accommodated my skill level. I wouldn't be able to cut individual strips like that, but I can purchase them and they just go together like a puzzle piece, which is amazing. Secondly, you need fur strips. So furring strips are going to help you support where it doesn't hit a stud, and we'll talk about that more during the video. You'll need a nail gun, a compressor to connect to the nail gun, and then I am also using a jigsaw to cut around the fixtures and outlets. I've never done that before, so I'll let you know how that goes. But those are what I know that you need right now. If we need anything else, I'll toss that in. So the difference in going horizontal and vertical with shiplap is if you go horizontal, every board can be nailed into a stud multiple times. When you're going vertical, a lot of boards are gonna miss a stud. And so that's why you put these furring strips, you put them on the wall. They suggest every 2 feet. I'm gonna do every 4 feet. So I have finished the vertical shiplap in my bedroom, and I am very happy with it. So the whole project took me like 2 hours, and the longest part was putting the outlet covers back on.